This is my project, which is mobile controlled servo motor. In this, we are using a Bluetooth module, which is HC05, and one Arduino to program the project. And also we use a servo motor to rotate as requirement. For rotating servo motor, we use a Bluetooth controlled app which rotates at many angles: 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, and also 180 degree. So we see the program of this project. This is the program of this project. By the uploading this project, we runs by using mobile. Let's see the rotation of servo motor. When I click to 90 degree, 0 degree, it comes to 0 degree. See this? It rotates at 0 degree. When we again click to 90 degree, this is, you see, 90 degree, it rotates. Now we see at 180 degree. See this, it's rotate at 180 degree. So this is my project. Thank you.